Morning, traders. You guys know that I trade the foreign exchange market. Also, I start off at the London session and maybe the New York session, but never past 8 o'clock. But today we're going to go ahead and take a good couple of trades. Definitely going to have you guys watch in and tune in. Thanks for waking up with me early this morning. Wherever you at, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, what's going on, traders? I'm just here giving you guys a little commentary on why I took the trade I took. I went and took the trade on USD JPY on the 5-minute chart, and I used the alligator cross method. So basically, across over the ton, I got in on that trade. As you can see with the awesome oscillator, it was showing that it was in a downtrend, and also that there was a cross on the ADX. There being more sellers than buyers in the market. It became a little volatile as I had went through the market, but at that same time, you need a little volatility in the markets. As you see, it was in a strong uptrend, so I was trying to catch the pullback, which is why I'm zooming out so I can show you guys what I was thinking. This is the same account that I had used before. I'm trying not to do, too much of putting my information out there. Like I said, when it comes to this stuff, IRS is very touchy with this stuff, and attorney fees and lawyers on proving everything. It gets real touchy. But this was something that I wanted to go ahead and show with my traders and to build my YouTube channel. Like I said, this again is on the 5-minute chart. What I'm doing is just trying to go ahead and scalp the market. While scalping the market, long-term trades for me, like, it hasn't worked too well when it comes to the moving average cross strategy, which is pretty much what the alligator is. When you add it onto your phone, it's just a souped up moving average. Definitely don't give up on Forex, you guys. Like I said, it's a hit or miss. I do take losing trades every now and again, but I also do get winners every now and again. To stay consistent in these markets, do not over leverage your account. I have a problem with that, and I could tell you that. But see, me, I'm trying to get the $50 and get out. I'm not trying to get the $5 and then get out. It just feels like a waste of time. And when you are in the lower middle class, time is money, because that's what we're giving up to get money. It's a little bit different when you're in a different tax bracket, but yeah, that's enough of the rambling. As you can see, it's consolidating here. So with that consolidation, it just shows that it's already ready to go up into a bullish market again. But to me, and this is just my personal opinion, like all of this stuff is, since this is already something that was pre-recorded and I'm adding the comments on it, bro, or sis, the market is manipulated. Don't let nobody tell you that it's not. Don't even let me tell you that it's not. I'm not saying it's manipulated as far as they're just going to take your money. It's manipulated as far as this is a business. Just like a casino slot machine, like, yes, you do have a chance to win, but there's an algorithm, behind everything. There's a supercomputer for everything. The same things like this content that we're building, which is why I don't want to go ahead and continue to show my financial earnings on it. I'll just show you guys the trades I took. You guys can go back, check it yourself. These are just vlogs for me. But there's an algorithm for everything. There's a pullback for everything. There's a drawdown for everything. Now I'm showing you guys this is what happened. See, there was a pullback in the market. It went all the way back up, retested, and then the market maker headed into it looks like it was before the New York session had opened. This thing went into a straight bearish market. Instead of the market makers letting it be a steady flow to the bearish side, they waited last minute for the market to change. As you can see that yourself, you can come up with your own or whatever, but this was like a 15 pip move right here, easy. um, I think that a lot of people, you know, they know exactly what direction the market is going into. It's just either they're over leveraging their account and it'll draw down on you. Like, look at this, it's just a long wick. Just because the wick goes back up does not mean, and listen to me on this real close, it does not mean that you are not correct, that this is going into a bearish market. They're just trying to collect those contracts. There's some guys that come in and they'll put 5, 10, 20 standard lots in there, and it'll move the market, and they'll collect that. They'll say, oh, it's going into a buy, I'm going to get in right here. Or, oh, it's going into a sell, I'm going to get in right here. So they were able to pull that wick back up to send them into a negative drawdown, however it is that they're trying to do it. As you can see on the Awesome Oscillator and the RSI, it's down to the very bottom. But thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. There's always going to be more to come.